Okay, today we got the Lebron 11s Forging Iron, also known as Preheat. So I'd like to start out by saying these are sick shoes because I usually don't wear orange, but when I saw these I had to cop them because oh my gosh. But these make you stand out. Like always, you got the Kobe, he's like LeBron signature on the bottom, along with the icy splashes of blue. Always got the swoosh. The back. Like I just like the different combinations of yellow, orange, yeah. It's just a nice shoe overall. Not much speech to talk about, but just say it's a nice shoe. I mean, you can cop them at flightclub.com. Retail price $250, but probably went up. So overall, these shoes probably gonna make it one of my top 10 shoes 2013. This is because I don't like the color orange, but it brought me in. I don't know why, but as you can see, they've got design on the laces, so that's pretty good. The box, ordinary LeBron box. Pull out tab, the side LeBron. So overall, these shoes are pretty good. I mean, trying to match something with it, just get an orange shirt. But overall, I would make these shoes one of the best. Not my favorite, but one of the best, because I mean I don't like orange. They did a good job of persuading me, so you should cop a pair, make a great asset to your collection. As always, subscribe, like, thanks.